Introducing PharmaFetch, a new and innovative system for medication storage and retrieval for pharmaceutical settings. Our product began after speaking to pharmaceutical technicians who complained about the time wasted spent searching shelves for medication. By one account, they estimate that upwards of 50% of the time spent filling a prescription is taken up by this menial task. We also spoke with a pharmacy manager about the future of pharmaceutical distribution and PharmaFetch.
Henry Lopez, pharmacy manager.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. So my first question is, what is the most time-consuming or labor-intensive part of working in a pharmacy?
One of those would be the packaging aspect, and what I mean by that is essentially getting the medication from the shelf to the patient's bottle. That would be one of the more time-consuming aspects of the dispensary.
Do you think a system like ours, how useful would it be in pharmacies?
One of the things that this system can do is actually fulfill some of those functions that we are already introducing to pharmacy and automation, especially like in a central fill facility. Be able to create or be able to recreate those repetitive roles where we have a higher incidence of errors, and it will be able to minimize that. One of the things that I envision this product being able to do is being able to fill those gaps in the central fill and industrial component of automation that's already there. So we'll be able to just fill in those gaps that we have right now.
The PharmaFetch system automates item retrieval, return, and storage. It is simple to use, easy to understand, and frees up pharmaceutical workers to spend their valuable time filling prescriptions, compounding medications, and helping patients. Now we move on to the video demonstration of the PharmaFetch system. PharmaFetch is a shelf-mounted item movement and tracking system. On the side of the shelf, there is a power on switch, an emergency stop button, and a power off switch for maintenance and troubleshooting. It also comes paired with a handheld barcode scanner and a booklet of special command barcodes. Once installed securely on a shelf and configured by qualified personnel, it is ready for power on and self-configuration. The bottom shelf is reserved for item pickup and return, while the top shelves are used for item storage. To register items to the shelf, apply the medicine's barcode to one of the provided containers, and then place the medicine in the container and then into a free item pickup spot. Then scan the register items command barcode, and the system will go to scan items on the pickup shelf, assign them a storage location, and move them accordingly. Up to 5 items can be registered at a time like this. To retrieve a single item, simply scan the barcode of the medicine you wish to have, and the system will retrieve it and leave it in the first free pickup spot for you. To retrieve multiple medications, scan the multi-fetch command barcode, then scan up to 5 medicine barcodes you wish to retrieve, and then scan the multi-fetch barcode again. The system will then retrieve the items and place them on the pickup shelf. To return an item for storage, place up to 5 containers in the slots on the pickup shelf, scan the return command barcode, and the system will scan and move containers back to their storage locations one by one. The PharmaFetch system can handle a wide variety of medication bottles and boxes and has a carrying capacity of half a kilogram per container. Starting at $24.99.99, the PharmaFetch can be customized to fit the dimensions of your shelf of choice. Please contact us for quotes and further details. On behalf of the team here at FetchRx, I thank you for watching our video demonstration of the PharmaFetch system. We will greatly appreciate any feedback or comments, and we can be reached through the contact information on screen now.